Ways to promote your online courses. Hi subscribers, welcome to the new video and the second part of our previous video. These days, online courses have been in a great trend, and to promote your online course is a great way to make your startup a little known to people. Let's get into the video before any further ado. Watch the video till the end. First, create niche courses. Niche and the long tail always get preferential treatment in the internet universe. In addition to the courses you offer, create an online course that is ultra niche and gain an advantage in the middle of every crowded market. This niche course will immediately boost you to the top of search results, help bring traffic to your website, and create awareness for other courses you offer. Second, create content. Very consistently, create the content in a single most important investment that will keep bringing prospect students. Content should be devoid of any promotion or sales you do. You should educate the public about the services you are offering and provide expertise in the course you are teaching. When you create content, you shouldn't have any expectations from them. When you create and publish content with some kind of expectation, there is a higher chances that you will quit creating content when you don't see transactional results, such as increased number of students enrolling. So never have any expectations from the content you are creating or uploading. Third, offer free courses. When you offer free courses to the extent you can afford, don't have any expectations. Promotional free courses that are designed to create a sales funnel won't be effective as if you do it to educate the public based on your expertise. Sales and increased business will eventually follow, but free courses shouldn't be used as a hook to bring more students to your online courses. Instead, designate one of your star instructors to offer 1 or 2 sessions for free once a week for a month. There is a higher chance that several students have attended the free course will join free for the premium courses. Fourth, make mother content. Mother content is a video content that would be scrapped to create dozens of different pieces of content across different platforms, including on social media. There are 3 ways you can create the mother content. First, record your free courses. Second, invest a guest expert and interview them. Third, pick a topic and talk to the camera. We can also call it a piece to camera. So, extract clips from the video content and publish them on Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. You can also upload the entire video content on YouTube. And don't forget to add subtitles. To take it one further, transcribe the video and publish it as a blog post as well. I know many of you have already done it. If one of you viewing this has done it, please comment in our comment section. Let us know so that we can also take some advices from your content. Fifth, which is one of the biggest reasons why people pay for online course, is to find a better job. When promoting your online course, it is powerful to have your alumni talk to the camera about their journey and how your course helped them land a well-paying job. Turn your alumni into your marketers by offering them a referral fee. Sixth is, which we can also say, promote your instructors. It is important that you have an Our Team page on our website for prospective students to see who are going to be their instructors and how qualified they are. Also, have them promote themselves on social media, especially LinkedIn. Seventh, promote on social media. Organic reach on TikTok and LinkedIn is still high. Facebook's organic reach is almost close to 0 and it is declining on Instagram very fast. So you can advertise on Facebook, that is a lead generation ad with very forms. So target certain people in certain locations, and Facebook ads are still underpriced. But most leads coming from Facebook will be very low quality if you don't perfect your creative when you are doing these promotions. So very careful when doing the promotions over the Facebook. 8th, use Google advertising. This is the most expensive part of your course's promotional campaign because Google is something everybody is desire of. However, it will be the most transactional and result-oriented campaign that will require quick results. So, try to create 3 different campaigns with 3 different bid strategies. That could be impression share, conversion, and maximize click. Spare similar budgets equally and then pause the ones that aren't as effective as other campaigns. So, ninth, implement consistent content marketing. Content marketing is key to get attention for your course via social media and search engines. To start, first, identify most asked questions about online courses in your industry. Second, create ultimate guides to answer those questions. Third, create listicles that could be your online course as well. 10th, create local content silos. Make your online course like a local business. It will make it significantly easier to be found in certain locations. You will reduce your competition and have a better chance of capturing prospective students in a certain area. The key to create a local content silo is to make a homepage like collection page. Optimize it around that location, create local content internally to link to it. Acquire links from local websites and acquire backlinks from industry relevant pages. It works like a charm. 11th and the last, partner up. Partner up with career centers, recruiters, university career centers, and comment development centers that are community and interested in job opportunities you should partner up with. Pitch your online courses and offer discounted program for member of that community or organization, and then explain them how much easier they can land a job if they pick your online courses you are providing them for. So, that's all for today. We hope you liked this video, and if you have reached here till the end of our video, then please do let us know how was the video and how informative it was for you. Also, please comment in our comment section about what more kind of videos you want from us. We shall be providing that to you. Share it with your friends and families and let them also have this information. Thank you. Stay tuned.